Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make these cards, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description box. Today, I'd like to share with you the Sheetload of Cards for January 2021 from Call Me Crafty. So this was a really fun card to put together. You can see here from the template that she uses 3 different patterns of either pattern paper or designer series paper. And I'll go ahead and share with you how I made my cards using those 3 different pieces of paper and what products I used. So these fun products that I've used on my cards today come from the Celebration brochure. And Celebration this year goes from January 5th through February 28th. And you can get free products with a qualifying order. And you can see some of these really fun products down here are some of those options that you can get for free. Now I can't open the catalog yet, but on January 5th, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below and you can see what products you can get for free. So the qualifying orders are either a $50 order or a $100 order. And there's different products in those 2 categories that you can get for free. Now this paper and stamp set bundle you can get with a $100 order. And so I've went ahead and used these products to make my cards. So the stamp set is called Berry Blessings and it gives you some really great imagery and some fun greetings. I like how there's both the outline and the inside to these stamps. And the leaves are really fun to play with as well. And I'll show you what I did with those in just a minute. And then the bundle also comes with paper and you get 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper and they're double-sided. This paper is called Berry Delightful Designer Series paper. And you can see that this first side has all those fun berries. You get strawberries and blueberries and raspberries, blackberries, so many fun berries there. And then the other side has more just patterns that kind of coordinate with the paper on the other side, the pattern on the other side. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I used these papers. And I used them a little differently than what Call Me Crafty had intended. So here on the template, you can see that each card has 3 different patterns. And when I started designing my cards, I just felt like because this paper was a little bit on the busy side, that I really needed to simplify and not have 3 different patterns on my card. But I still wanted to have the pattern paper in the same places that she offered. So what I did for this card is I used this fun pattern. It has the raspberries, the blueberries, and the strawberries all together. And then you'll notice that when I fold it over, it has the green plaid on the back. And so how I created these cards is I used the green plaid, which is the back side of this pattern paper, and then just doubled those 2 pieces up. And I made them all the same. And I really loved how the stamp set came together. And I used just a little wink of Stella and brushed kind of watercolored in the fruit instead of using the stamp for the inside. So then for my second card, I did the exact same thing. I just made the cards out of 1 sheet of designer series paper. So all 3 cards come from 1 sheet and I cut it exactly how Crafty Owl says, and then I was able to just use all the pieces for those 3 cards. So the back is this fun purple pattern and then the front gives you this fun raspberry, blackberry kind of look. And then again I used the Wink of Stella to watercolor in those blackberries. Then for my last card, I used the raspberry pattern paper, cut it again, just like Call Me Crafty Al says. And you can see that background has that pretty leaf pattern. And I just feel like it sets it off really nicely against those two patterns there. And then some raspberries. And again, filled it in with Wink of Stella. Not sure if you can see that little bit of shine there. And then the last little thing I added is this little bit of twine behind my greeting. And all I did is I took the braided linen thread, and so it comes braided like that. Let's see, there you go, it's focused. So it comes braided, and so I cut, I would say maybe about 12 inches, and then I pulled out each one of those fibers to give me individual fibers. You can see there that they kind of come to out really easy, and I just took one and pulled it through, and then I brought all those fibers together and then just tied a nice big bow, and it gave me this fun look for the back of my greeting. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing my version of this month's Sheetload of Cards from Call Me Crafty Al. Remember, you can visit her YouTube channel to get your own free template. The link is in the description box below. Make sure to check out the other amazing designers and what they have created, and their links are also listed below in the description box. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, there's a list of everything I've used in the description box as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.